Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos. If you find this useful, if you could consider subscribing and liking the video, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's get started. So there's a couple of different ways that you can go and download YouTube videos, and I'm going to explain them to you in this video. So firstly, I want to show you how you can download your own YouTube videos. To do that, you first need to go to your YouTube studio. So go to the top right and click on your profile icon and then tap on YouTube Studio. Once you're in the studio, then go over to the left like this and tap on Content. Then what you want to do is choose the video which you want to download. In this case, it's this top one here. Then hover over it with your mouse and you're going to see these three dots here called Options. Click on the Options button and then you can go and tap on Download, and shortly the download will begin. If I then go and look at the top right of my browser, as you can see here, the video is now downloading onto my computer. However, you may want to go and download other people's videos, so let me show you that. Firstly, go and find a video that you want to download. I'm going to download this one here, and then go and click on the one that you want to download, scroll down below the video and you're going to notice there's a download button. So all you need to do is go and click on download, or you can press the three dots and then click on download there. And then as you can see, it says download this video with premium. So to download other people's YouTube videos, you are going to need something called YouTube Premium. It comes with a ton of other benefits, and it's basically a YouTube membership program. So what I'm going to do is go and subscribe because I've got a free trial. So you will need to subscribe and then download the video. So now that I'm subscribed, now what I'm going to do is click download and then download the video. And as you can see at the top right, the video is downloading. And once it's done, you can then go and view it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And we will see you in the next one.